Good morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, today we are going to deal with Unit 4, that is Art and Culture. And from that, Lesson A, the story of Ikat. First, we see what is art and culture. The country like India, we have a rich culture and art, different types of dances, traditions, songs, paintings. We have in our country. So what is Indian art and culture we see now? Culture plays an important role in the development of any nation. India has one of the world's largest collections of songs, music, dance, theatre, folk traditions, performing arts, rites and rituals, paintings and writings that are known as the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. It enriches our tradition and culture, focusing the reputation of our state all over the world. See, different types of dance, songs, paintings we have. Why is art and culture important? Both culture and art are two wonderful ways of preserving or strengthening a strong community's sense of place, forging a personal identity and showing your creativity. See, different celebrations of festivals are very important in our country. Art and culture boast multiple opportunities for learning, entertainment, leisure, personal growth, and improving communication with others. Culture plays an important role in the development of any nation. It represents a set of shared attitudes, values, goals, and practices. Children, but how art and culture affects our life? Art influences society by changing opinions. Instilling means inculcate or introduce values and translating experiences across space and time. Research has shown art affects the fundamental sense of self. Painting, sculpture, music, literature, and the other arts are often considered to be the repository. Repository means a place where things are stored. Repository of a society's collective memory. See, children, the main theme of the story or lesson is to introduce the students about the glory of art and culture of India. The story is aimed at introducing the students about the traditional textiles of Andhra Pradesh, that is Ikat. In this lesson, the beautiful design chitiki and the procedure of wearing and their grandeur are explained. In previous, when Telangana and Andhra Pradesh divided, it considered as Andhra Pradesh. But now it is in Nalgonda district, that is in Telangana. Now see the Ikat, the design and sari, how it was weaved on a handloom. This lesson is a talk between the social teacher Janaki and her students. In this lesson, the teacher likes to introduce her students about Ikat textiles of Andhra Pradesh. Even Telangana also. She tells Ikat is an Indonesian term which means to bind or knot. The teacher says the village Pochampalli of Nalgonda district of Telangana state is famous for Ikat textiles. The design of Ikat looks like this, see children. And the pallu and the border. Ikat is a traditional cloth woven by handlooms. You know children, handlooms? See how they are going to weave. In the race with the machines, we have lost our heritage. It is called chitiki in Telugu, patola in Gujarati, and simply ikat in Oriya. In hand weaving, we have threads stretched lengthwise called warp and threads intersecting them widthwise called weft. I'll show that. See children, the handlooms, and they are weaving on that. Now see here, the warp and weft. Here see, the threads stretched lengthwise called warp and threads intersecting. Here see, the threads which are intersecting them, they are called as weft. The warp and weft, here see the difference children, the threads. In ikat, threads are carefully sorted, warp and weft divided into bundles. First, the warp and weft. These threads were divided into bundles and tied with locally available waterproof materials like plastic sheets, rubber strips from car and bicycle ties, then dropped into color. First, they are going to bind these warp and weft bundles, but using the materials like rubber strips, plastic sheets, and then they drop these warp and weft bundles into the color. The ties indicate the design we want, but it is not very simple. See, first they are giving knots and later they are going to apply the color. But when come to that bundles, they dip them into the color whatever they want. The weavers count the threads, measure the distance, calculate when to repeat a pattern. If they want to give the design, they will have an idea and they will keep a distance where they want to give the design again. But they will have the calculation children. They can tie the knots. Though weavers are not formally educated, they can do these complex calculations. Complex calculation means at what certain distance they have to maintain these designs. They know very well. So they can do these complex calculations at their fingertips. Chitiki Rumal with its beautiful chukka design. See here. The design on these rumals, it is called as Chitki Rumal. With its beautiful chukka design is the favorite headgear of fishermen and other laborers. These rumals they call as chitki, that is chukka we call it as. Especially the fishermen, they used it as their turbans. Now, Janaki madam explains chitki means small and small dots of color or the characteristic of ikat. She continues with the children and she tells them this chitki means small and small dots of color or the characteristic of ikat. Different regions fight about its origin. Origin means here the different areas of people, they tell that this is their design. They used to do that. But from which region or which place it came, we don't have a certain idea. There is no systematic documentation to resolve dispute about its origin. The designs of ikat influenced not only the Hindu culture but also Muslim culture. Why we see now, especially for Hindus and for others also, Raksha Bandhan, the tying of the knot was done by yellow and red ikat dyed threads. In our tradition, tying the knot is sacred. So especially you can observe this on Raksha Bandhan, we used to have threads and tying this knot to the wrist of our brothers. So it's a very sacred one. Maybe this has a relation to tying and dyeing process. But in parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Deccan, designs in ikat were very much influenced by Muslim culture. You see children, the threads which were having the color of red and white, they used especially for the Raksha Bandhan. Children, read the lesson carefully for 2 or 3 times, and those who are having textbooks also can read. We can continue the lesson in the next session. Thank you, children.